Welcome back to About Power Tools. This time I have a job installing battens for the house roof. I'm using Bengkirai battens, which are quite hard, the hardest I usually work with. It's already midday. The installation of the battens is finished. Now I just need to reinforce the edges of the batten or the purlin. For this job, I am using a drill tool from KEELAT. It uses a 20-volt battery. This is the display of the brushless drill from KEELAT. It already uses a brushless motor. The battery socket is LXT, so it can use batteries from other brands. This is KEELAT. I have documented this drill many times. There are 3 modes on this drill: hammer drill, drilling, and screwdriver mode. This is its appearance. This time, I installed a wood drill bit with a diameter of 4 mm. The drill is powered with 45 Nm of torque. It is brushless, and the chuck is made of metal. This is the most powerful drill I currently own. I haven't been able to buy a similar or better product yet, because I feel this job is quite heavy duty. I use this KEELAT drill. It's heavy duty and very comfortable to use for heavy duty tasks. It's suitable for drilling into hard wood, like this, or drilling into light steel channel C. This is the on/off button, and here is the speed selector. It is quite stiff, a bit hard to switch from speed 1 to speed 2, but it's not a problem. For drilling hardwood like this, I always use speed 2. For drilling wood with an auger bit, speed 1 is more powerful because it provides higher torque at a lower speed. This is for drilling the Bengkirai wood here, which is very hard and old. Let's try drilling. I haven't sharpened the drill bit because I forgot to bring the grinding tool this morning. Usually, I just use a file to sharpen it, which works well. Using sandpaper to sharpen consumes too much material. The job is quite risky. This morning I already nailed, and the nails were put from the top. Now I am working on the edges, nailing the wood at an angle because just one nail from the top isn't strong enough. Theoretically, nailing straight up isn't strong enough. I have drilled and nailed many places. I'm on the 2nd floor at the ridge or peak of the roof, located in a dense residential area. The height is around 8 to 10 meters. That's it for this video. From morning till evening, I experienced no problems using the KEELAT drill. It's light, comfortable, and very powerful. For heavy-duty jobs like this drill is very capable and makes the job easier. That's it for this video. See you in the next video.